Welcome. I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. Here, you're going to learn how to get your time and get your financial future back on track. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about NordVPN. But first, I want you to hit the subscribe button, the little bell icon for me, and don't forget to share and like and to help support my channel. And I do thank you. Today, let's talk a little bit about NordVPN. Let's talk about the price. The price is pretty good. As you can see, it's $3.29 per month for a 2-year plan. That's pretty good. Or you can go with the 1-year plan for $4.99 and or do it monthly for $11.99. To me, it's a no-brainer. And you can it's $3.29 is pretty cheap for your security. And they also have like a 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't like it. We can look at some of the features. I think they have it all. Secure your internet, the fastest VPN, you block malware, and more. So you want to stay safe. You can have it on 6 devices. Privacy on you go. You can do your banking on you go. You don't have to worry about it. VPN servers everywhere, so you can kind of connect. They got different servers, maximize security. Basically, they can hide them. You got multi-factor authorization, split tunneling support, protect your data nonstop, duplicated IP, masking your IP so nobody knows where you're at. They'll change double protection. They'll change your IP twice to cover your web traffic. So this endless amount of features that you're going to get with NordVPN. Highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. I have it on my phone actually, and I use it all the time. It's I really do love it. You got 24/7 support. You're probably asking yourself, well, Jamie, what is a VPN? And here it is in a nutshell. It's a virtual private network. It basically creates a encryption tunnel for your data. It protects your online identity and hides your IP address, and allows you to use public Wi-Fi or hotspots safely. That's it in a nutshell. So really, it really protects your privacy. It lets you do your banking or anything like that without worrying about somebody stealing your stuff. They also have a business version in case you're you're a business guy, and maybe you want to get your business version for your employees. Just to help keep your network secure if they're logging in. Through a VPN. So just make sure if you're a business guy, you look at that. I'm not going to go over it today because most people are just getting it for their personal use. But if you're a business guy and you think you want more details, feel free to. You may have to contact them if you can't find all the answers that you need. But the features, I'm telling you, they got plenty of features. You can put this on 6. One price, 6 things. So if you got your wife, your kids, or your husband, depends on who's doing this. If you got a couple kids, you got then if you got maybe an iPad, you could put it on. So you can really protect everybody's stuff. Going forward, but you don't want. I know the kids and stuff probably not doing much banking, but you still want to protect their identity. Make sure that nobody's stealing their information. So you just want to be careful these days. You want to protect all your data. You just don't want to just log in and guys, if you're got one password and you're trying to use that for everything, stop. I'm gonna do a review on Keeper Security. It keeps all your passwords and all that stuff organized. If you're gonna do something like that, you probably need to think about something that would do that. Because you don't want to just use the same password for everything, because that's going to get you in trouble. So try to think of something that's difficult, but something you can remember. And best thing to do is just write them down in a notebook or something, and put the notebook away. Then if you can't remember it, then get it out. But it's not good to write them down. But at the same time, if you got a lot of stuff, you kind of want to write them down in case you have to come back to it in like a little notebook, keep in your desk at home, or in a safe. So if you do need to refer back to it, you can, or you can get a password manager. That was probably that'd be the best way to do it. That way everything's in one place. And there are several of them on my website. You can go to RiddlesBendMedia, and there's a couple of them on there, like 1Pass, password, or Keeper security. Just kind of look at that kind of stuff, and I think it's going to help you. But until then, also pay attention and try to get a VPN to help protect you while you're on the internet. Especially when these days you don't know what who's doing what overseas, and you don't know what's going to happen. So try to be safe while you surf or while you're doing business. So just a reminder, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the little bell icon so you get my weekly reviews or my updates. And I'll see you on the next one.